Hey everybody, Weave Silk just got a big new sharing update and I just wanted to share it with you. Here we go. We're at weavesilk.com and I am going to draw something. So I'm going to click and I am going to activate the controls as I normally would. I'm going to click on the blue dot. I'm going to select a color that I like. I can, if you just watch the little dots in the middle, I'm going to grab whichever rotational symmetry I like the best that day. I usually like the six-fold. I'm going to keep the controls, the mirror across the center. I'm going to turn off and I'm going to spiral it towards the center. All right, so I'm going to draw a little bit with the pink that I've chosen. And I'll add a spot of orange as I found those two colors work gorgeously together. And I might just add a touch of purple. Okay, now I'm really excited about this and I want to share it. And I want to share it in a very special way. So check it out. I'm going to click share. And some of these are pretty, standard where I could share this on Facebook with my Facebook friends. I could share it on Twitter. I could share it on Pinterest. I could email it to somebody, or I can click on the URL and I can copy that. Now check this out. Okay, I've just copied it. I'm going to go to a new tab. I'm going to paste and go to that URL and watch what happens. Look at that. It is showing without like time in between me deciding what colors. It just boom draws it just the same way I did. It starts with it's showing you the picture down here, which you could have hidden if you wanted to, and it shows you how the person drew it. Is that not cool or what? So now you probably understand why I wanted to share that with you right away. So go try it now. Bye-bye.